Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a DA91 backlink that is do follow, that is contextual, it will bring you traffic, and it's indexable. And you're going to need two things in order to accomplish the creation of this backlink. Now, those two things are you will need an aged Reddit account. There's tons of tutorials on how to create this or buy them or get them. That's not what we're doing here. The second piece that you will need is your own subreddit. Again, very simple to do in 2020. So let's stop wasting time. Let's quit talking. Let's get right into this video. Now we're heading into the regular platform. This is the new layout, the new theme for reddit.com. You're going to head over here. This is what it'll look like in moderation of your subreddit account that you've created. So right here, there's a button that says Mod Tools. What you will want to do is click on Mod Tools in the right-hand corner. It's right here. I'll go ahead and highlight it for you. See? Now you will click on Mod Tools, short for Moderation Tools. After that, a page will show up just like this, obviously. And you're going to scroll on down over here in the left-hand side. So what you are looking for is menu links. So that's right here under structure. So here's structure. Here is menu links. So you'll click on menu links. Now, when you're on menu links, you're going to see a tab right here that says create new tab. So you're going to click on create new tab, create a link tab, which is right here. And then you're going to name your title. Now, the title is the contextual part of this link. So in this case, I'm going to write SEO training, and then the URL is going to be to my website. So you will go ahead and put in your link. So for this instance, we're just going to put in a link to my site, to my landing page for getting in contact with me. We will save that. And then in order to prove that this is just not a moderator webpage, first and foremost, let's make sure that it's a do follow. Green is do follow. Purple is no follow. So green, as you can see, it's a do follow link going directly to my website that is contextual. Now, not only that, let's go over to the Incognito, so you know that it's just not showing up in the moderation tools. So a new Incognito window, we're going to paste in the address to my subreddit. Now that we're on the subreddit, right here in the very top is a new tab that's a contextual link to my website, directly to my landing page to get in contact with me for training, testing, our groups, services, whatever the case may be. So as you can see, we'll go open a new link and bam, right to the landing page. So in this video, we covered two ways to create a DA91 backlink. These links are contextual for both platforms. These links are indexable for either platform. I've seen old Reddit links on Google indexed. I've seen new posts indexed. These pages are able to be discovered by the public, so they are able to generate traffic, which is a huge factor. So links are creating traffic. The propensity of a link to be clicked increases the power of the link. So we know that the traffic factor is really boosting up this backlink. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions regarding this SEO backlink creation video, if you have questions about link building, how to create backlinks, how to build backlinks, if you have any questions about off-page SEO, on-page SEO, technical SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram, really anything digital marketing related, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next off-page SEO, how to create backlinks video. Have a wonderful day.